pedazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Gracias. And scooped all the mine trains. We're over in the back of Virginia now. All the other hunters that come out in here. In fact, listen carefully. Here, the harvest singing from John's voice.
Have you ever heard a wolf cry? Or ask the pretty bobcat why he grins? Can you sing with all the voices around?
Much further west, and a few hundred years later, travelers like us find small tribes of Indian Indians camped out alongside tracks. This tribe is a peaceful, friendly sort, willing to trade goods or offer a hearty meal to any weary traveler. By the way, you're traveling aboard one of four genuine steam-powered trains that run these rails daily here at the Magic Kingdom. These iron horses are the descendants of the pioneers of the rail that crisscrossed our growing nation more than a century ago. Hey folks, what do you get when you cross Mickey's Toontown with a country fair? Why, you get Mickey's Toontown Fair, of course. Won't be long now, and we'll be arriving at the fair. Our next stop on the Walt Disney World Railroad. Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Goofy, and a whole bunch of their neighbors are there right now. Having themselves a real blue ribbon day. You youngins might want to take some time for a visit while you're there. That's Mickey's house, just to the right of the station. And on up the road a bit is Minnie's house. Most days they keep the lights lit and the doors open just so you can drop by for a visit. Across the street is Donald's boat. It ain't much good for sailing, but it sure is a bit of fun. And for a really fun time, you can fly with Goofy as he pilots his crop duster on the barnstormer at Goofy's White Acre Farm. This here is also the station for tomorrow. Please stay seated until the train comes to a full stop. Remember to gather all your personal belongings and watch your step as you get off. You all have fun. Here we are.
Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, please remain seated until our train comes to a full and complete stop. Wait for those words, all clear, and we'll let you know when it's safe to exit. But until then, folks, please remain seated. No standing, no sliding, no scooching. Stay seated, please.